Jai Hind. Friends, a sound mind lives in a sound body, and it's very logical too. And when it comes to the students, it is non-negotiable for students to have a mind in a good state and a good condition. And for that, you have to ensure a good health. For that, the element of physical exercise is very, very necessary, because if you devote few minutes for physical exercise, and with that you can ensure a good health and correspondingly a sound mind and a mind in a good state. Friends, what I have seen among the students, they have the general mindset that first I'll clear the exam, I will become something, then I will start doing I will join gym, I will do all the exercises, I will join games and all. But that mindset is not going to help you if you are preparing for exams like civil services, engineering services or state services, because for these exams you have to build your physical and mental strength, and physical exercise plays a very, very vital role in that. There is another set of students who complain that they are living in a locality where they are not having a good ground and garden where they can go for the exercise. It's really wonderful if you are having such locality, you can avail the grounds and garden. Otherwise, you can devise a set of exercise which you can manage in your room itself, and your ultimate target is to have the sweating, because with the sweating you flush out the toxins and the negativity, and just 20 to 30 minutes you can achieve that sweating and exercise level. My advice for you is to you can do the Surya Namaskar 11 to 21 sets of that. You can do on the spot jumping, on the spot running, you can do dips, sit-ups, squats, and number of aerobic exercise are there. You can incorporate few of them and you can make a good schedule, and only 20 to 30 minutes, nothing much. Friends, only these exercises, and just devote 20 to 30 minutes in a day, and it can do wonders for you. And friends, these are the things which you have to experiment yourself. Do it, see the changes, see the positive aspects, and bring this element of physical exercise into your schedule, into your regime. As you do all the important things in your life, you always manage time for important things. Make this physical exercise element also as an important part of your schedule, and believe me, it will help you a lot. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay connected. Jai Hind.